Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angel Chanel, and you all have just entered another episode here at the Glow Experience. For those of you that it is your first time joining me here today, go ahead and feel free to take time to hit that subscribe button, that ring bell button, so that you guys don't miss the opportunity to view all of my videos. You won't miss out. You'll be notified as soon as I post them. Okay? As promised in my last video, y'all, I am sitting in my little cozy corner here in my room. Sorry, just had to throw that in because I know this is a different setting. But, as promised in my last video, I told you guys that I would come to you after I did the onion juice treatment, and I'll show you guys how to install this wig. So that's what we're doing in this video here. We are installing this lace frontal wig unit, you guys. But in the video I did, it does look different. It is styled different. I forgot after I installed the wig the other day to do the intro for this video. So I'm doing 2 intros today, just to throw that out there, because I am going to have on the same outfit in these next 2 videos for the intro, just so y'all know, because they are pre-recorded videos. But yeah, I forgot to do the intro for the video that you guys are about to watch. So yeah, that's why my hair looks different. But I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Also, if you guys are interested, these lashes that I am wearing are my butterfly style collection lashes. Yes, I do sell these lashes. I will be putting the link in the description box for these lashes so that you guys can go ahead and purchase, you guys. And once again, these are the 3D mink. 3D mink. They're like between 13 and 18, no, between 15 and 18 millimeters. Sorry, I don't know the millimeters on each of them because I did get 5 different styles. I just know that my supplier does provide 25 millimeter, and then the collection that I chose from was the 13 to the 18 millimeters. So with that being said, without further ado, the next video after this one that you guys watched is going to be the unboxing video of my lashes for this year. So you guys stay tuned for that as well. I'll have that video posted in a few days after this one posts, alright? But thank you guys. Don't forget to hit that ring bell and subscribe button and that like button, guys. And I hope you enjoy this video. Alright guys, so first things first, before I went on and installed this wig, I did oil my scalp with all of my oils that I used in the previous video for my hot oil treatment. I usually just try and do this once a week because my hair has been keeping good moisture ever since I've been doing the onion juice treatment. And when I did my hot oil treatment last week, I haven't really needed to apply that much oil, so I just did it lightly. Yep, I'm gonna just stop talking, let y'all watch. Enjoy. You know them my brothers too. Took the monster, that's my boy. He Michael Jackson with the moves. 600, that's the 6 day. What it do? Kid Row, big fella, no sleep. That be the rules. BM say she hate me. Yeah, I love you too. I'm the biggest in the city, west side. Just a forewarning, guys. If you see me looking off to the side and talking, it's because I was on live on Facebook at the same time of recording this video. So I'm talking to live at the same time. Wow, talking to y'all. Power moves like got me feeling like ghosts in the city where these IG models going for the low. Broke boys out here mad, hell nah, he ain't gang chasing. Call you gotta understand that's part of the game, but I never follow rules. Label as a class clown, now I'm laughing to the bank. What you gotta say now? Oh, make sure you all watch this video all the way through because I do have a special announcement for you all at the very end of this video. Okay. How you niggas out here charging, but your music is foul.
The truth was said. Why deny the truth? That sounded terrible. But why would you deny the truth? Don't get mad at the truth. That's it.
Yeah. I do this shit for my son, so you know I gotta get a couple racks for a show. So you know I had to spend it on my haters flopping hard while I'm balling on my pivot. D rolls, I'm with the wolves, about to give you niggas 50 loudest cat in the room. Out here selling wolf tickets, talking late nights, selling dope up on the cookie, catch me in the stew. Yeah, with some white women, room full of drugs. Young Ace, some money, making 8 ball in my sock. I got the dope in the trunk. Bad bitch on my line, she said I got what you want. Baby girl, knock me down while I roll up a blunt. OG call my weed beaver, said it smell like skunk. Man, shout out to my ex, she be in the fucking way. I might give a long dick just to get her out the way. Man, I'm coolin' with the Oracle, but I'm not from the Bay. Frito-Lay, I'm talking chips, I'm eating good every day. The name is Billy Foes, you know I make power moves. Ronnie Pop in the crib, twerking, doing all kind of moves. Got two thotties in the cut, you know what that Remy do. If I crack your baby mama, well, that be kind of blue. She say, Billy, this is something that I don't usually do. The other day, she taught me up, wow, and she swallowed too. All my kids, she say, boy, you slick, I'm down with the click. Pretty gang, not your average jig, baby, let's get lit.
So he was like, girls got, a lot of girls probably got a whole nother life that you don't even know about. So just leave it at that. Like, you don't even want to know about this shit. We fucking right now. That's all that really is.
The name is Billy Rose, you know I make power moves. Lollipop in the crib, twerking, doing all kind of moves. Got two thotties in the cut, you know what that Remy do. If I crack your baby mama, you know that be kind of rude. She say, Billy, this is something that I don't usually do. The other day she taught me up, wow, and she swallowed too. All my kids, she say, boy, you slick, I'm down with the click. Pretty gang, not your average chick, baby, let's get this. You know young Rose, them some crazy dudes. Pretty gang, royal babies, foreign chicks coming too. Matt Mateo told me Florida, so that was I'ma do. Shout out Javen King, baby, yeah, that be Cash Crew. LRP, B-Row, you know them my brothers too. Tweet the monster, that's my boy, he Michael Jackson with the moves. 600, that's the 6. E-Day, what it do? Kid Row, big fella, no sleep, that be the roof. E-M, say she hate me, yeah, I love you too. I'm the biggest in the city, west side, what it do? You a worker, I'm a boss. I can give you all the tools. Call my line, I know the plug. I can put you on too. Got the biggest in the city, yeah, you already know. From the go, if you ain't from here, then it's Chicago. Trench coat, power moves, like got me feeling like ghosts. In the city where these IG models going for the low. Broke boys out here mad, hell nah, he ain't gang chasing. Call you gotta understand that's part of the game. But I never follow rules. Label that's a class clown. Now I'm laughing to the bank. What you gotta say now? It's a feat just to book me. I ain't talking but loud. House party, kid in place. She say she digging my style. How you niggas out performing but ain't touching the crowd? How you niggas out here charging but your music is foul?
Alrighty, you all, this is the final look. Yes, look at those curls, hunty curls and lashes. Like, what? Yes, I had so much fun doing this look. Now for the special announcements. If you guys are interested in learning how to make wigs, I will be offering a class via Zoom. Go ahead and just hit that link in the description box and you'll see everything, all of the information that you need. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.